What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Break NL. We're getting ready for our UFC box rise. We got 3 winners coming out of this one, and the top, I think it's top 3, maybe top 2. Top 2, sorry. Top name takes home 3, second name takes home 2. This actually fills the Raz, so we're going to be giving this box away very shortly. Good luck on winning a few spots. It is 9:25, and here's your list. Fred down to Adam. Good luck. 1, 2, 3. You're looking for top 2, remember. Top 2 timestamp. Timestamp on 3. 9:25. 9:25, last and final. And there you have it. We got Terrence and Adam both taking home spots. Terrence in spot 5, Adam in spot 2. Let me get your final timestamp. We'll tag you in to pick your spots, and then we'll figure out who gets this box. It is 9:26. And 9:26 it is. So congratulations again, Terrence and Adam. I'm going to tag you guys, and we'll see you shortly. Thanks again.